I'm so tongue twisted today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a mini Amazon unboxing haul, and so here is everything that I got. I'm actually missing 2 more items, but they're coming from China and they're taking forever to get here. It's just 2 erasers that I got for school because they were super cute, and I'm the weird person that orders erasers on Amazon. So in these packages, I do have 2 items that I got for free from this company. So I will let you guys know which ones are the ones that I got for free. But other than that, I bought everything myself, and yeah. So if you guys are interested in any of these items, I will have everything linked in the description box. Okay, so what should we begin with? I think I'm going to begin with this package right here. Okay, so the 2 items that are in here are the 2 items that I got for free from the company. So I will show you these first. So here they are, and it is 2 eyeshadow palettes. And they didn't ask me to review them or anything. They just told me they were going to send me something, and so here it is. Okay, so let's open up the first one. So they sent me the AFU or FU Deluxe Eyeshadow Palette, and it's this one right here, wrapped in this plastic, and I don't want to open it because I'm actually going to put one of these in a giveaway. So let me open up the other one to see which one is the one that I wanted. Okay, so the other palette that they sent me, it is the AFU Ultra Pigmented and Soft Eyeshadow Palette, and it's this one right here. I don't know which one is the one that I wanted, so I'm going to have to look at the email that they sent me so I could see which one is the one that I actually wanted, so I could open it up. So the palette that I wanted was this black one right here, so I'm going to open it up. And this one is the red tone eyeshadow palette. So they also sell these on Amazon, so I will have the link in the description box if you guys are interested in trying one of these eyeshadow palettes. And oh my gosh, these are so pretty, you guys. So this eyeshadow palette has a nice little mirror here, and it comes with a little plastic here. And here are all the shades. They're so pretty. I love the red and the greens and the light pinks and all the shimmers. I can't wait to try this out. It looks so pretty. So the names here are Peanut Butter, Yell OMG, Kiss, Life, Kita, Kita, Fresh Baked, Cali Sunrise, Cocoa, Latte, Glory, Ochre, Mistletoe, Love, Mimosas, Mesmerized, and Chocolate. So they're all so pretty, and I can't wait to try it out. And these eyeshadow palettes are cruelty free, as you guys can see in the back. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm super excited that they sent me this, so thank you so much, AFU. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I'm super happy that they sent me these. And this one I'm not going to open because I'm going to put this one in a giveaway, but I will insert a picture of how the eyeshadow palette looks like. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see an eyeshadow look with this palette right here. But yeah, I'm super happy that I got this. Now I'm going to open up this one right here. Okay, so here is the second box. Let's see, what did I order? The first thing that I ordered is this Boldify Natural Dietary Supplements Hair Boost Gummies. And I ordered these because I got self-conscious because a lot of my hair was falling, but it was due to stress. But I'm going to be taking these. Hopefully it helps out my hair. So I'm going to open it up to see what it looks like. Receive a free bottle. Enjoying Boldify hair products? Connect with us to receive a free bottle. Cool. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's super pretty and pink, and I'm not going to open it right now because I'm actually taking some vitamins that my friend recommended to help out grow my nails, and they have been working really good. If you guys remember, my nails were broken, and look at my nails now. They're like growing so fast. So I'm super happy with those vitamins, but these are specifically for hair, so I will try these out once I'm done with the other pills so I could see if there's any difference. I will put the name of the vitamins that I'm taking right here so you guys could see which ones I'm taking right now, and I got those at Rite Aid, I believe. Rite Aid or Walgreens, I'm not sure. Okay, the next product that I got is these glasses right here. So I like buying glasses on Amazon because I don't like wearing the same glasses every day. So that's why I don't like paying like $200 for a pair of glasses, and I just paid $12. And they're pretty good quality. At least the past 4 glasses that I've gotten from Amazon, they're like really good quality. So anyways, these glasses come in this green case and it's nice and sturdy so they won't break. And here are my new glasses, you guys. They are oversized because I like oversized glasses. And I think the brand was Enchanted Accessories. It comes with this little glass towel. And my last job, I actually did this, you guys. I printed out the logos for these towels right here. This is what I did in my last job. Anyways, so I'm going to open up my glasses and see how they look. Oh my gosh, they feel nice and sturdy, so I'm super excited for that. And these are the green marble glasses. And they don't look green to me, they look brown, but I don't care. I love the design, it's super pretty. So I can't wait to get my prescription on these. And since I have like 4 pairs of glasses, I usually go to Mexicali to put in my lenses and my glasses because it's way cheaper. It's $26 and here they charge me like $118 just to put the lens. So I'm like, no thank you. So anyways, I'm going to try these out. Ooh, they're so comfortable. I'm so excited to wear these. I like how they look. I like big, huge glasses, you guys. So yeah, I'm super happy with these glasses. So maybe this weekend I'll probably take my prescription to Mexicali so they could put them in these glasses. So I'm super happy that I got those glasses. And I'm actually going to get another pair exactly like that, but in red. And these were $13.85 from Amazon. I will have the link in the description box if you guys are interested. Okay, so the last thing in this box is these toys for my hairy children. Charlotte Dog Squeaky 12-pack toys. And it comes in this little carry bag, which I think it's super adorable. And this is perfect for travel because when we travel, I like taking toys for my hairy children so they won't get bored. And it comes with 12 toys. Oh, this is so cute. So it comes with a cute little panda bear looking thing. But this is brown, I think. I don't think pandas are brown, or I don't know. But super cute and they squeak. So Bimbo is going to love this because Bimbo loves toys with squeakers. Oh, this one's super cute. It's a little bird and it also squeaks. It comes with a little penguin. So cute. And it comes with a, what are you, a raccoon? I don't know what this is, you guys. But it comes with one of these. A little crocodile. With a little tiger. It's so cute. And it comes with a pink little bunny. Oh, this one's so adorable. I think I'm going to keep this for me to put on next to my computer. It's so cute. The next one is this little elephant. So cute. Oh, this is a raccoon. Okay, I don't know what the red one is. Oh, the red one's a fox, I think. Yeah, I think this is a fox. Or I don't know. What is it, you guys? And then I got a zebra. Oh, that's cute. It has a little heart on the butt. And it comes with a little Bambi, a blue Bambi. It's so cute. And a little monkey. This one's so cute. This is adorable. I love the little monkey. That's all of the toys that I got for my hairy children. Okay, so that was the second box. Now I'm going to open up the last box right here. So I almost cut something that I ordered. So this is what it looks like inside. So the first thing that I ordered are these double eyeliners, double seal eyeliner to show charm. So they're just eyeliners with stamps and it comes in a 4-pack. But they are all different. One's a star, one is a moon, one is a heart, and one is a flower shape. And I'm super excited for these because I've seen so many people use base stamps when they're doing makeup and I'm like obsessed. So I finally got some and they're not the ones from Milk because they're more expensive and I just wanted to see if I like it on my face. So here are all the 4 boxes and I'm only going to open up one right now. So I'm going to open up the heart one because it's almost Valentine's Day. So this is what it looks like. It comes wrapped in this plastic. So okay, so this is what it looks like without the plastic. Hopefully you guys can see and it's not too shiny. It just says Colorina Pro Artist Double Eyeliner. So one side is an eyeliner. If I could open it. Oh, they're twisties, I think. What the heck? I can't open this. Oh, okay, there you go. So this is what one side looks like. It's just a regular eyeliner. Ooh. Look at that. I mean, it's not a perfect line. That's why I can't do a perfect eyeliner because I shake a lot. It looks super black, so I'm super excited for this. Now I'm going to try out the heart. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it is the shape of a heart. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So I can't wait to put this on my face. Hopefully I don't look weird. Okay, so it looks dry already, so let's see if it's smudge proof. And is it? I think it is. So it is smear proof, and I'm super excited because I do tend to rub my face all the time. So these eyeliners and stamps are $9.21. So that's why I got them, because they're so affordable and they actually work. So I'm super excited. Okay, the next thing that I got is this Mostori Grapefruit Body Scrub, 100% natural. So I got this body scrub to see if it actually scrubs really well, because I have a body scrub right now and it's so gentle and I feel like it doesn't exfoliate my skin. So I'm hoping this one will. So this is what it looks like. I could definitely smell the grapefruit and it's not even open. It smells so good, you guys. Look at that. And this one looks like it's actually going to be a good exfoliator. I actually like when it looks like that because you could see that it's actually going to exfoliate really good. So I'm super excited to try this out tonight. Okay, the next thing that I ordered is this small side bag. This small little blue bag right here, and it's super cute. There was other colors too. There was pink, burgundy, and black, I believe. So it comes with this little chain thing, so you could put it as a crossbody. And so this is what it looks like. I love how it looks. It's super cute, and it has 3 pockets. It has the back pocket, and it's from the brand Bitashi. So yeah, it's super cute, and it has a middle pocket. It has a lot of paper in here. Can't even get it out. They should send it with money already. So this is what the inside looks like. It's super cute. It has another pocket here for like your cell phone or something. And it has another pocket here. And a zipper on the side. It's so adorable. So I'm super happy with this cute little purse. And then it has that front zipper right here, and it comes with more paper but no money, and that's what it looks like. So I'm super happy that I got this. It's pretty soft. It's not hard at all. Okay, the last item that I got is this eyeshadow palette, and I know I said I wasn't going to buy any more eyeshadow palettes, but this one's different. It's from the brand DeLanchi. It's not a known brand, not that I know of, but it's this one right here, and I got it because it claims to glow in the dark, and I love glow in the dark stuff, so I had to get it because I wanted to try it out and see if it actually works. And this one is the Aurora Glow Eyeshadow UV Blacklight. This one right here. I don't know if you guys can read it. I love the palette. It's super pretty. Now, I'm going to open it up so you guys could see it. Ta-da! And this palette was only $14. And oh my gosh, these look so pretty. Look at that, you guys. So freaking colorful and pretty. And it comes with a little paper thing. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. I can't wait to try it out, and it comes with a nice big mirror. And look at these middle shades right here. These right here. They have like stars. I don't know if you guys can see the texture. It's so pretty. I think these two are the only ones that don't glow in the dark. If you guys like going to festivals and all that, I think you guys should get this palette. I mean, if it works, obviously. But I will try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see an eye look with this eyeshadow palette. And also let me know if you guys would like me to do an eye look with the lights off and just with a black light on to see if these eyeshadows actually glow. I think that would be super cool. But yeah, I'm super excited. And they don't have a smell or anything. I'm going to swatch 3 shadows so you guys can see if they're actually pigmented. So I want to swatch this yellow one right here, this orange one right here, or should I do the pink? I don't know. I think I'm gonna do the pink, and I'm gonna do the green, this green right here. Look at that. So pretty, and it's super pigmented. Look at that. super excited for this, you guys. So that is everything that I got from Amazon. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite item that I got. And let me know if you guys would like to see an eye look with this eyeshadow palette. And also an eye look with this AFU eyeshadow palette. And yeah, so I'm super happy with all of the items that I got. So anyways, everything's going to be linked in the description box if you guys are interested in getting any of these items. And yeah, well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.